What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be cleaning some fishing reels. So for those who don't know me, I usually go on fishing trips, and after a long day of fishing, you would end up with some dirty gear, just like this one. So now we're gonna clean these reels up. I learned this tip from BlacktipH watching one of his videos with Shimano. I'll put that video on the description below, and I've done that ever since. So what you're gonna need is some glass cleaning solution. You're gonna need a spray bottle and some water, and you're gonna need some paper towels or a clean cloth. So what you do is you're gonna mix 10% of your glass cleaning solution and some 90% water, and it will end up looking like this. So, and then what you're gonna do basically is, first you need to tighten the reel handle like so, and then you need to tighten the drag. Okay, so once you've done that, all you need to do now is just spray some glass cleaning solution onto your reel. So the reason why this is done is we are basically not hosing the reel down just like what we normally do, because what that does is it doesn't really break down, water doesn't really break down the salt that efficiently, and it's even enabling the salt to go and to go deep down those small crevices. So with this solution, it breaks down whatever salt is remaining, and once it's broken down, all you need to do is wipe it off like this with your old paper towel. So what you need to do is you just need to make sure that none of the droplets are left on the reel. So you just need to clean your reel as much as you can. So once that's all cleaned up and dry, that's it. So the last thing for you to do, once you've removed all of the excess solution, you just untighten the drag and unscrew the handle. So basically that's how I want to keep my reels all the time, and that's it. So I hope you like this video, and we will see you guys soon.